In this next batch of reviews, we focus on something every graduating physiotherapy student strives for: professional confidence. These students share how the course strengthened their understanding of exercise prescription, simplified their approach to patient education, and helped them feel more prepared for internships and future clinical placements. As you read their comments, you'll see how they gained real structure, learning to create programs that patients actually follow, and how they develop the confidence to apply evidence-based practice outside the classroom. Their words represent a new generation of future physiotherapists, eager, capable, and ready to make a difference. Here are their reviews.